Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to center an image on the canvas. Start off by logging in, access GroovePages. For this demonstration I'm going to create a new site with a blank canvas. Now I'm going to keep things very simple for this demonstration. I'm going to grab a one column layout and I'm going to put an image in that column and we're going to center that image. All right, so we're going to start off by grabbing that, that one column layout block. Next, we're going into the elements sidebar. I'm going to scroll down until we get to the media section. And for this demonstration, I'm going to use a regular image. However, the same applies to a rounded image as well. Now we'll right away see when we put this inside our column that it aligns to the left. Right, so before I'm going to align it in the center, I'm going to use an actual image in here. There we go. All right, so right now we have an actual image on the canvas. To get it into the center of the column, we're going to have to switch back to the design tab. And inside our spacing section right here, we see that we have a alignment shortcut, right? We can align it to the left, we can center it, or we can align it to the right. However, for images and certain other elements like icons, for example, simply clicking an option on this shortcut here doesn't work. There's one other step that we have to do first, and that is under custom attributes, we need to set the display property to block. Right, so once we have done that, we can go back to our spacing section and we can click the shortcut for center and the image will be aligned in the center of the column. At this point, we can also choose to align it right or we can keep it on the left. All of these will work as long as we have set the display property to block.